radar and automated gauges. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include severe thunderstorm warning for the following county: San Bernardino, California. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central San Bernardino County in Southern California until 8:45 p.m. PDT.
Ourselves in SVR.
At 7:37 p.m. PDT, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles northeast of Owl Canyon Campground to 8 miles southwest of Newberry Springs, moving southwest at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs and trees. Locations impacted include Barstow, Daggett, I-15 between Victorville and Barstow, Owl Canyon Campground, Highway 247 between Lucerne Valley and Barstow, Glenwood and Nebo Center. This includes the following roads: Interstate 15 in California between mile markers 81 and 90. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 1 and 17. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. PDT for the following county: San Bernardino, California.